Okay, so here's where we're at with our little intercooler design. If you look here, this is where the intake, the compressed air will flow in. I don't know where those are going to be coming in. Probably underneath this. This is that flat bar that goes across, and then this is the latch for where your rear lid closes down. So it'll probably, and then this is only like 2 inches down. I mean, it's like that. So it'll probably come up. That hole will be somewhere in here. Obviously, it's not going to be square. I'm just trying to, right now, I'm just trying to find out right now I'm just trying to see like what's going to fit, because this is the plastic. So I didn't do the dimensions of the actual frame. I just did the plastic because I want to be able to put the plastic back in. So these are the limits of the plastic. Looks like this is really close. But anyway, and I'll probably print my logo, across right here. It'll be cool. So anyway, that's where I'm at. Oh, this is my other design. Oops. Over here. This is the other configuration. I decided not to go with that. But it barely fits for the water cooling. This is the water cooling on the side. Would come in there and go out there or whatever. It doesn't matter. I just have to make sure it fits. Getting the water where it's going to go in and out is not a problem. This area here is where the oil. There's the oil sump, and then here's your dipstick thingy is right here. So progress is being made. Hey, if you like these videos and you want to see more, please consider helping us out by picking up a t-shirt over at blacktopmods.com. Be super helpful. We're going to have, as you know, right now we're doing the R8 twin turbo build with also building our own intercoolers. After that, we're going to do a wide body, R8 wide body kit. We're going to actually build the kit ourselves, carbon fiber. And then any other things that you want to see build, those are just the two we have on tap right now. If I'd have known earlier, I could have done my son's R8. Or not his R8, his A6. We took the motor out twice trying to figure something out. And that would have been cool just to show everybody. But that's done. So also, there could be other builds. Anyway, anything that you're interested in, that would be cool. And it would really help us out a lot if you could pick up a t-shirt. I mean, I would say just support the channel if you want. Maybe I'll put a button down there for PayPal or something like that. That would be awesome. But, the t-shirts are cool. Everyone wears t-shirts. I bought this, online from somebody. So that would just help us out a lot. Really appreciate it.